Assalamualaikum. Now I will explain my lab 3. First, I will show my string.xml. So I already declare app underscore name to .cafe, action setting to setting, and all this I assign. Next, I show this one. First is this. This is I put its ID as order text view and start of parent. So it start at the under parent, right? Also the same. Next is my text view for name. For my tag view for name, the ID is name underscore label and the tag is name. So it will show name here. And to start of parent and to bottom of order text view. So it means the name is under this one. Next, for edit text name, so user can enter the name. The ID is name underscore text, and the hint is string enter name hint. So it will display enter your name here because I already declared at the string.xml. And input type is tag person name, and the two line of is name label. So it's mean at the left side is name label here, name label, and to end off name label. So it will be at the right of name label. Next is my address. The ID is address underscore label, and the edit text is address underscore text, and the hint is enter address, and the top baseline is address label, and to end off also address label. Next is phone text view. The ID is phone underscore label, and the tag is IU string that I already declared, and to bottom of address label. So means like this text view for phone will be under the address here, address text view here. And this is my edit text for phone. The ID is phone text, and the hint is IU string also, and the input type is phone. Next is note. Note, the ID is note underscore label, and the tag is IU string also. Next is edit text for note. The ID is note underscore text, and the hint is IU string, and the input type is text multi-line. Next, this is text view for choose a delivery method. So the ID is delivery underscore label, and the tag is string. Under the text view for delivery label, I use a radio button. So this is the radio group coding. The inside radio group is have an option. First, has a 3 option. First option is same day. So the ID is same day, and on click here, so it will appear on radio button click it if the user click the same day. And this one for the tags I use string, and this one is next day for next day delivery, and on click here, on click radio button click it, and the tags is string next day ground delivery. And this is for pickup, for user to pick up the order. So the ID pickup, and on click here, and this I use string pickup. And the last one is spinner. Spinner is for user to select what kind of number phone they enter. For example, like they enter the personal number, so you can choose a personal or home and work. And the spinner, the ID is label spinner, and to end off phone tags, so it's end off at the right side of the phone, and bottom off at the button of address tags. So that's all for my activity order.xml. Next, we proceed to order activity Java. So I will explain. First is onCreate. In onCreate, this is the code for get the data from the previous page. From the previous page is activity main. So it will bring the data to the activity order. And this is for create a spinner. So first need to declare. First, we find a spinner by using label underscore spinner, and if find here, if not null, we set the current activity as the listener using set on item selected listener this. So app will know what to do when the user select an item. Next, we create an array adapter using string array call it label array from the resources. We also use a default Android layout for each item. A default Android layout for how each item will look inside the spinner. After that, we set the dropping layout using adapter set drop view, this one. So the item will display nicely when the user open the list. And finally, we attach the adapter to the spinner using spinner.setAdapter, this one, which make the spinner show the item from the string array here. So this is the string array, home, work, mobile, and others. Next, this is a display toast. Display toast is a method is used to show a short message on the screen using a toast. So, for example, like if a user click the same day delivery, it will pop up message same day delivery service. For the spinner, if a user choose a home, it will pop up home like that. So next, this is for on radio button clicker. This method run when the user click any of the radio button. First, the code checks whether the radio button is actually checked or not. If not checked, the method stop and does nothing. Here, it will does nothing. So then if the radio button is clicked, the code get the ID of the clicker radio button, use view.getID. After that, I use if statement to check which ID it's clicked. So, for example, if view underscore ID equal with same day, those will pop up message same day messenger service. So it will display the message same day messenger service here that I already declared. So same thing for the next day and pickup. So next, this is the last one. The last one, according in my order activity Java, this code handle what happened when the user select nothing from the spinner. So this method runs when the user pick item from the spinner. So it will, from the spinner, this get the type of the item user selected. For example, like home, work, and personal. And this should after that, it will pop up the home or work like that. So this is for if not this method is run when nothing is selected from in the spinner. Okay, now I will demo the program. So we wait. So here the main have a menu. So for example, I order a donut. So you pop out your order a donut. So I click this one bucket. It will bring to the next page order activity. So in this order activity, it's display you order a donut, and I can enter my name, enter my address, enter my phone number, and I want this phone number is a mobile, and I enter a note. And I will choose the delivery method is I will pick up. So you pop up pick up. So that's all for my video explanation for lab 3. Thank you.